Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the superhero edit. It's super easy. Select your video and you're going to go to the part where there are a lot of action, like this one where he does like a backflip. So I'm just going to split this here till he's finished with the backflip. Select the video, go to speed and speed that up. Okay, maybe not that much. Select everything, right click, create compound clip. Scroll down to basic, add in motion blur, and you're going to add in this much blur and this much blend. It is kind of random actually, but you're going to add more blur than blend. And just apply these settings, and this is what your video should look like at the end. It is super simple, but very cool. Like, look. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.